How to get paid to shop. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and the app or the website that we'll be looking at is joinhoney.com. And the beauty about this website or app is it is available on any device. So whether you're on a mobile device or you're on your laptop or PC, you can simply download the extension or you can download the app. And once you have done that, you'll be able to start earning money while you shop. Now, how does this work? Well, you'll be using their extension or their app to shop, and they'll give you access to promo codes and coupons that you probably didn't know about. So you'll be getting a discount while you shop. And also they have deals with different brands and companies, so you'll be getting back some money or gift card also. So not only will you be saving by getting promo codes and coupons, but you can also earn while you shop. So it's a win-win either way it goes. As you can see here, once you have downloaded the extension by simply tapping on Add to Chrome or download the app, you'll be able to apply coupons with a click. And you can get paid via PayPal, or you'll be able to get access to numerous gift cards. You can earn gift cards just for shopping. And that's it. That's basically the plan when it comes to Honey. They have access to numerous merchants, and they and the merchants have different deals. So that's how they're able to offer different coupons, codes, and so on. And you'll just benefit from their partnership with those merchants. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.